Can you guys hear me now? Wait, let me check that out. Let me make sure it's working good. Test. I think now everything's supposed to be good. Let me check. What? I got DD. Let me check. All right, everything's working good. Can hear. Okay. Can hear now. Okay, good. All right, so I just fixed my mic and stuff because I unpacked my whole setup, man, because I'm back into travel. So I was like, I'm not gonna stream today, and then I was like, you know what, let me just stream. This last day of the week, so let me just stream. So yep, just looking at this, I took this trade, by the way. I took this break even. It was on MNQ. Where was it? It was here. I took this one. Execution marks. Boom. Got in here. Got out here. With this wick, and then got swept. Like, if I held the position, I could have gotten swept or something. Anyways, we back. ES was actually the play because it was a stronger asset, so like it could have delivered. But I just like the fact. Anyways, let me just go to Discord and let you guys know what's going on. At everyone live join. All right, it's been a while, man, since I haven't streamed. I feel like it's been ages. It's been just 2 days, man. What is going on? Okay, from the get-go, ES just traded back to the gap. Like, if you really check, I mean, just expanded the whole day, man. Like, from 1800 from the low of day, C2, boom, expansion followed by another expansion. Now we're trading within that gap. Now we're trading with that. Wait, let me check. All right, so we're sitting within that gap. Ideally, I want to see players to manipulate to continue back to the highs. Like, I don't want to go against that daily candle, especially that we kind of traded back into previous week and previous week, and also that week. Yeah, so it's really interesting, and we're coming off of that gap. So I think that's the time to probably trade back to the high, or if something really clean sets up for reversal, I might be able to take it, but probably just like to EQ this candle or maximum like this range or something. I wouldn't really go for like this EQ. So from the get-go, it's not really clear. What is that? There's some sort of mistake here. It's not supposed to be like this. Yeah, there is some sort of issue. Let me try to realize this one. Just go to oil trade and then go back to NAS. What? MQ? Yeah, MQ should be delivering higher. MQ, I don't know what's wrong with it. There's something here wrong about this MQ. About this chart. It's not showing up everything, but it's alright. Let's go to daily directly. So, from the get-go, what do we have? Bearish week. We've been expanding now. We're just kind of capping off that weekly range. Forming the high, now we're just within that. So, if you guys check, open high, low. Now we're trading between that low and close. So, capping off that weekly range for it to close as a bearish candle. So, probably setting up for next week to continue delivering lower, I guess. Or probably the time to reverse after taking out these lows to go for these failure swings. But anyways, that's not the topic for today. Looking at an hourly, we're gonna do our analysis on MNQ, by the way, because we cannot see what's going on there. Just clear that out. So far so good. I like how it's setting up. Ideally I want to see this C2, like this C2 probably is the low of 6 a.m. Yeah, so we have the low of 6 a.m. just printed now. I want to see a failure to manipulate that high to continue to the next high. That would be like my ideal swing. That would be my ideal trade. C2. So we have a first swing that was formed. Also, the low of 10 of the 4 hour just formed. So I can continue to deliver price higher. Let me just wait 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. Can you guys still hear me? If you guys can still hear me, let me know, because I just lowered the voice of the mic because I have my earphones plugged in the mic and I can hear my voice back. So it was too loud. So yeah. So ideally, what I want to see is just a failure to manipulate for a continuation higher. That would be really clean. We try to back into this, and I think we have an SMT fail here with ES, just based off that it did not take out that low. Yeah, we do have this, or whatever you want to call it, SMT fail, or just SMT with the previous candle. So ideally I want to take NQ. Yeah, YM's not really cheatable. Okay, but look at the BSPs, bro. What is going on? These markets are so decoupled lately. Everyone is just doing its own thing. Every market is doing its own thing. So same here, but ideally, like, if I want to take longs, NQ is the clean. So let me just go ahead and put that here, so it'll be easier for me to kind of go over it. So yeah, ideally what I want to see, if first manipulate, probably retracement back into the gap, which is a bit far, or a manipulation of some sort of low. This low, CISD, and I will take it back to the highs. That would be really clean. That would be really clean. Let me check what is going on here. Also, we have the previous daily is a bit far, but will we manage to get there? That's the question. We trade it back into the gap. We can. We trade it already in the gap, so at least we can anticipate this gap is gonna get filled. So yeah, NQ longs. That's the only thing I want to do. Yeah, we just formed the low of 6 a.m. within that 2 a.m. range. From a gap, looks good. 30 minutes. Do we have like any 2 stage or something? Check if we have any 2 stage here. I mean, ES. Yep, we do. Nope, we don't. No, we don't. We do actually. We do have this second stage here. Oh, so now you can trade the C2. So you actually can trade this candle. Actually can trade this CISD here. Yeah. You actually, this is tradable, by the way, due to the fact that we have this PSP here. Let me turn on the indicator. This is a PSP. This is the second stage, also trading into a gap. So that's why we got that expansion. So that would be really clean for us to continue higher. Hopefully we can see a failure to manipulate here, and I'll probably take it back to that high. Take it a bit higher. So that would be really clean. So YM put in a higher high. So if you guys really check, this one's put in a lower low. ES also put in a lower low. But with ES, we have this SMT or that's SMT. But ideally with PSPs, you want to see like the next candle manipulating, not like E level. Ideally, you want to see a manipulation with the previous candle's low, not with the relevant swing like this. So yeah, that's really it. First manipulate, continue back to the high. At least to this high, at least. But remember, we are in extreme premium right now. We're starting to get a little bit. Yeah, we're starting to trade higher, but I like the fact that we kind of just swept a higher time frame level. I like the fact, yeah, just when you get a sweep, expand. Range, sweep, expand. Retrace, probably sweep, or CISD, expand. And that would be my move. Alright, that's really it for NSCs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my watch list. Oil, I'm just gonna go ahead and go with take off execution marks. Alright, let's continue to CL. Gonna put CL here. This, okay, it was not an entry. Did not take it. But there was an entry later on. Oh wow. We did deliver actually lower. Good. Anyways. If we go to the 4 hour. Bro, this is my favorite setup so far. I think CL is setting up really nicely. Really nicely. I love when we get a sweep and also a C2 closure. And not only that, we also have like this is a sweep high, by the way, but like here it's a fair swing, so it's a really good sign. And this one is close and it's a PSP. That's like one of my favorite models, if not the best. Like, look at that. When you get the sweep and the C2, especially if it was like a confirming the CISD, confirming the opposing candle, holy, straight expansion. So I love what I'm seeing right now. Just like your one-sided narrative, man. I just want to take longs. Where's the daily open? Daily open is here. So again, what do we have? Delayed protraction profile. We made the low of day, expanded higher. Now we formed the low of day again. But let me see if I have any SMTs or something. That would be really clean. Look at, nah, it was not. Let me see, where's RB? Do we have any SMTs? Not really. We don't have SMT with that level. So, okay, let's just wait. All right, HO. I really like what I'm seeing right now. I really like what I'm seeing right now. Okay, GC. This was gonna be a really clean trade, but nonetheless. Astaghfirullah. This is more of like CRT, like trading below the low of the candle, now trading back into its high. But like price also has already expanded on gold. The only thing you can trade is like a failure to manipulate to the next level. So I would require a new swing, especially that wouldn't have a U1 close by. Like the last swing maybe is this. Let me check. We do have a swing now. But is it the cleanest? Like I don't like how price just started slowing down. Like these are the type of moves I want to see. Not this. But let's see. Let's see. I would also be down for gold to go to the upside, or with like a 90-minute closure. If we have like a 2-stage here, which we do have a 1 stage already, with that high. If this one closes as PSP, I'll probably trade it back into the range. Most likely that's what I would do. But again, this has to close as a PSP. If not, yep, the idea is invalid there. So yeah, let me just take off PSP because this looks like a just like if my chart colors are like white and green. Take that off. Play some music. Let me check OBS. Y'all cannot hear? Okay, that's good. Alright, let me check. Hi bro, I had a doubt regarding 4-hour candles. Is everyone new? 4-hour candle had a new phase of... Wait. Hi bro, I had a doubt regarding H4 candles. Is very new 4-hour candle had a new phase of delivery? No. Got these logs. Nice, man. They only trade post-market opening up. But sometimes nowadays I started trading before 9:30. I trade between like 6, 7, sometimes 8. So I took a trade today. It was a break even. Yesterday I traded post market, and I took 2R, then another 2R. Yeah, now let's see what we're gonna get. So, InZR, what's up, my brother? What's up, man? How are you doing? It's been a while. Then we're rolling. And we're rolling. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we get. But guys, there's something really on my mind here I need to fix. Give me guys 1 sec. I need to make a call. Alright, we back. We back. We are back. Okay. So it's I got 7 minutes to be able to take a trade. So I'm just take that off. Hourly. Just trade above your relevant swing. Just gonna go ahead and keep it gray. Then same for this one. Just gonna go ahead and take it off. And then I guess we're just gonna continue higher. Place to this high. Still got a lot of room to go. You just need a proper setup. Probably like a second stage here. Holy, like you just need one stage here. That would be really clean if we got one. Alright, now it seems like also we're going for that high. So we're forming a gap. It's really good. So I would be willing to trade the one stage here. Or if it closes as PSB, that would be just even better. Let me check. Okay, that's good. Let me see if we have a PSP. Not really. We don't have PSP, but we'll have a first stage here. At least we'll have a one stage. Let's see if I'll set this up. Yeah, I would be willing to take this CISD, by the way. I would be willing to take this one because we got 74 points, 150. So that would be like a perfect 1 or 2. So, yep, I would be willing to take it, but we need that second stage. And we're all in. And we're all in. Man, I'm getting zoned out, bro. I have something that I gotta deal with. Oh my god. Let me check. Let me see what is going on in the chat, man. How was your trading week been, bro? Tuesday was bad. Yesterday was good. No, not yesterday. I don't remember. No, Wednesday was not the best. Yesterday was really good. Today was a break even, so I got a lot to sell. Still cannot decide yet. Not too good, bro. Lost my account. Struggling bad. Yeah, for sure, man. Can I have your opinion on looking for higher on NQ when the daily candle already has a large average daily range? Now I just wait for a new swing or a failure to manipulate. Especially that we have a new swing. New C2, I can trust the fact that with proper signature, I can just take it to the upside. Are you traveling my G? Yeah, yesterday I was traveling and came back on the same day. And now, tomorrow also I'm traveling. Yesterday I had, I had a flight in the morning and back at night because I had to sort some things out. But tomorrow, I'm not. Tomorrow I'm gonna go travel for 2 weeks and I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna come back after 2 weeks, so. That's why I packed all my stuff. I'm gonna pack the mic too, so I'll take it with me. If I find time to stream, that would be good. If not, it is what it is. I'll just stream it by myself. Alright, let's see what we get. Let's see what we'll have here. Let's see what will happen. 15. So we still got 3 minutes, almost 3 minutes. 2.5. Same for each O, 3 minutes. But like with each O, there are a lot of. We have this gap, and also have this gap, and also formed. This is the high of day. Yeah. Also formed the high of day off of VCISD, so gotta be cautious right there if you want to take longs. Probably back to the EQ. Longs on RB are a lot better, but still, we do have this London profile, this London reversal profile, and New York continuation. But now we're forming another low of day with like a CISD, so now the daily is gonna solve the issue. Let's see what we have. EC2 closure. C2 looks like it's gonna be a C2. Let's see CL. Okay, 4 hour. Just shoot it into external. What is gold doing here? Come on, get back to your place. All of them are flipping bullish. Okay, let's just wait. Ideally, maybe I'll take RB, especially with the fact that we don't have gaps, we just have levels. So, but still, this gap, I think is going to be troublesome. This gap. And we're okay. We have EPSP. Perfect. 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 All right. The CISD is a bit far away, but hopefully we'll do this. CISD, that would like a 104. Let's see. Then we're all in. So you got 1 minute for the candle to close. It's closing as a PSP, which is good. So YM closing bullish. ES closing bearish. We still have another draw liquidity higher, so that's good. That is good. So no streams for 2 weeks. I'm not sure. I might stream every day, who knows? But of course it will not be 5 hours. Maximum like 45 minutes max. Or like an hour. Because I want to go there chill, man. I just want to keep the channel alive. Either I'm gonna stream. If I don't stream, I'll post a trade breakdown for whatever that day presented, or like a previous day presented. So just to keep the channel alive. All right, clean, push lower. Okay. Look at that 2 minute. Holy, this 2 minutes looks really good. Are we gonna take out the lower or not? We're not. This 2 minute looks really good, but I don't trade 2 minute. I saw Garrett looking at it. Look at the furthest CIC is here. Look, the closest. I think it's this one. M5. Yeah, M5 is like the lowest CIC we can get. Let's see. Go like with the body. Go to the next target. To R. Let's see. HO. GC. 45, 90 minute. Hourly. Hourly's from the get-go flipping. Let's see, M15. I think I would like to see like an SMT fail here. But I think we'll close the gap by then. That would be really good. If we have like a new swing forming here from a gap, that would be a really easy move to the upside, to the high. So this is pushing lower. Okay, pushing lower. Does that mean? Does this mean? Okay, look at that. Look at YM. Jet above the high. But do we want to really short after this expansion? Not really. It's not the wisest decision. Wait, guys, 1 sec. Let me see. What do we got? How do you see Garrett considering trades? How do you see Garrett? I did not get what you mean, bro. 30 minute calls in the range, bro. It did. It did, man. And we have the second stage here. But we'll have to wait for the PSP to close to be able to take it. If we want to take shorts. And I think this gap is going to be troublesome. GC. 15 minute. Let me play some music. One sec, guys, one sec. Stay with me on stream. Stay with me. I don't know why the starting screen is not working for some reason. But just bear with me. I don't know why it's supposed to work. So I'm just put this one here. Alright, let me bring OBS back. Let me see the comments. Maybe incurred reversal incurred started creating gaps with displacement. Let's see. At least I'll need to wait for like a 2-stage on M30 at least. At least. I don't extrude reversals based off of like the M15. So I wouldn't really trust this one. Even though like we have the PSP now, we have the second stage here, but I wouldn't trust it. I would still wait. Is there a setup? Maybe if you force this one, but I wouldn't take it for the time being. Then we're rolling. Alright, so we're reacting off of the gap, which is a good sign. We're still holding this second stage here. But the M3, like, let's say the M1, M2, M3, M4, 5. It's a bit far away, man. Probably if I want to, probably I'll take the risk and take the M2 to go for the highs. Like, that's the only thing that's going to give me 2R. Like, that's the only setup that'll be able to give me 2R back to the highs. Yeah. So let's see if we're gonna get this one or not. So I'm just gonna put another one here. So I'll know, like, if this low fails, then probably we can start framing shorts. Yeah. But if it doesn't, then just gotta wait. Gold. We have a new swing formation here. 3 minutes. Oh, that looks too bad. Hello, what's up? What's good, man? Yo, what's up? What's up? Discord. It still doesn't work. It still doesn't work. Let me share the Discord link. Let me share the Discord link with you guys. Invite to server. Copy. This is the Discord link for anybody that wants to join. Welcome. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it. So yep, that's the Discord link. Alright, 30-minute. That looks interesting. We're gonna go back to daily low, to current low of day. That's gonna be a crazy move. Form this. Look how large this wick is, and then straight back all the way there. So okay. So we have a CSD at the low of day after taking our previous daily low. We're seeing a reaction off of it. But really, if you look, this we have this trend line liquidity. Look at this. Like Tory trades would take this trade, I'm sure. Tory, if you somehow see the stream, probably she would take this short. Because that looks like a clean trend line. Like a clean spaced out swing, so. But yeah, let's see if we're gonna form a new swing, man. Because now I'm also feeling like I'm going against this CIST that was formed off of this SMT. And this is irrelevant swing, which is previous daily high. So let's see. I wouldn't be willing to trade into a protected swing, even though like the Elix is failure swings, but here it is a protected swing, so I wouldn't be really willing to trade into it until we have like a really proper swing. And even then I wouldn't really trade into it. I would just trade into whatever the high that was formed there. Because if price wants to continue lower, probably this is the area we'll do it from. It will form a swing, get taken out, and then deliver lower. So let's continue. Let's continue. All right, seems like we're going higher. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Oh, we do have this ISD, by the way. Okay. Who is deleting my text? Bro, you're the moderator. Either you or somebody else who is also a moderator. All right, let's see. 1 minute. You know what? I would be willing to take a trade away from this gap. Back at least to that high. And I'm sure that... Do you guys watch Dodgy? I'm sure Dodgy took this trade. I'm sure. Wait, let me check his Discord. I'm sure. Where's Dodgy's Discord? Holy 400. Where? Okay, it's live. Trade. Okay, 33 caps. Let's see if he took this trade. I'm sure he took it. Like this is his ideal setup. What the fuck? I knew it. I swear to God, I knew it. I swear to God, I knew he would take this trade, man. I know. Because I used to be a member of the Dodgy's group, man. Holy shit. It looks so clean. These are the type of trades he takes. What time did you post it? 11:02. What time is it? 12. Okay. It was so obvious that he would take this inversion, man. Alright, let's continue. Take the Discord off. Shout out to Dodgy. see. Just seems like we're not delivering higher, which means we're gonna deliver lower. Let's see, HO. Holy, HO did end up going higher. Wow. I thought we were gonna have some struggle with that gap. GC. Okay. Oh, I thought this is the M30 minute. I thought this is like the hour time frame swing. All right. So far, there's nothing. We're just waiting, man. So far, there's nothing. Markets are boring so far. When you expand overnight, that's the type of BA you get. This is what you want to see. Overnight, just a range and then breakout. Range, breakout. Expansion, now we're gonna form the range. Let's see what is going on. This also looks 90 minute, 45, 30 minute. Holy, look at this. Look at this. Like, if somebody comes in now and he doesn't know the chart colors of my chart, he would think that I have a white and green chart. They wouldn't think that these are all PSPs. What the fuck? Is this, are all these PSPs? Let me check. They're not. Then what the fuck is going on here with the indicator? Let me turn that off. Put it back on. What? Am I using another preset? Is it with NQ? Let me check. NQ? Was he trading higher back then? At that time? Where is this? Oh, because it's lacking data. Okay. Because it's lacking data, that's why. Alright, no worries. Because we don't have a lot of data here, so that's why. Check. That's why we have a bunch of PSPs there. Okay, take that off. Alright, so far we have a PSP. I'm still interested in taking logs. I'm still really interested, especially with ES. Still having this clean gap with like a second stage here. Probably will get. I would still be willing to take it. Especially that we kind of just traded into a gap. So if you have that second stage on the CISD, most likely this high will fail, and whatever high that caused that gap will fail also. So that would be a clean long. If not, NQ is going to be the leading asset to the downside. But let's see. I'm still willing to take longs on ES. Another one for dodging. All right. Did you try Top Step account? No, I did not. He took with this plain version. You need to make Discord link as non-expiring, otherwise it expires in 7 days. Oh, let me check. How to get that rolling. Invite to server. Your invite. Oh, edit invite link. Let's keep it never. Number no limit. All right. Soros optional. TRT member. All right. Now we're gonna generate new link. Use copy. Perfect. And then gonna put this one here. I'm just gonna go to settings. Thanks, Tito. Thank you for the idea. Guys, I've just seen the likes. 10 likes? Come on, bro. 10 likes? Come on. And I'm willing to travel and stream, guys, at the same time. So come on, let's take the likes to like 35 or something. Come on, if you haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Come on. Let's go. We got 60 viewers here and we got 10 likes, bro. Like, the like ratio is so bad. It's like 70%, like 15%? Maybe 15? If my math is correct. Maybe less, maybe more. I don't know. Okay, so don't forget to hit the thumbs up, man. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And then we're going to take a beautiful trade here today on Friday. We're going to close the week really beautifully. So let's see what we got. Let's see. What about the bootcamp? Oh my days. Yeah, yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it for sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. Yeah, man, I promise. So I gotta deliver, you know? Even if I feel like, I should have not said that, but yeah, bro, I gotta deliver on it. Which I will. So just wait, guys. Just, I wanna chill, relax, bro. I wanna go enjoy the beach life. Then we'll see what's up. But I think I will record there. Especially if, wait, let me go do check in, by the way. Let me check in for tomorrow's flight. Come on, 24 likes. Come on, you guys haven't liked the live stream already. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's see. Let me go to check in. Not yet. Okay. Please. Dodgy strategy is 2022 ICT model for reversal sweep inversion entered. At least this strategy works because it's diverse both for reversal or retracement. It's good, but if you don't know how to trade it, you'll take a bunch of L's, bro. You'll take a ton of L's. Go to M1 and see how many inversions fail. You'll be surprised. Like, always, like, these ones are at the bottom. They work out. Like, always, every reversal most likely has an inversion. So, like, if you go to the... Here. Probably here. Wait. Guys, that's not the time for a conversation. We'll talk later. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, we did get a CIC on ES. Holy. That was good. Oh, the RR is so shit. M5. M3. When did we get this? Would they get it here? Let me see what is going on with NQ here. Oh, NQ is also delivering higher. Wow. Hee. Oh, we did get the M2. Look at that. We did get the M2, by the way. Wow. We do have the M2 here. So, I might be willing to execute on it if it gives to R. Let me check. Alright. Create my order. One sec. Let me try to log out from here. Because we have a beautiful trade coming. Let's see what's gonna happen here, man. Bro, if I take an L, holy man, I'm not streaming anymore. When I'm trading alone, bro, I do the best. Let's see. I'm just gonna go with like 300 bucks. I'll just go with one. Just go one contract, bro. Take it slow and steady. 500 bucks. Call it a day. Let's see. Like, I'll have to force to R here. Let's see. This is that break even. Boom, boom, break even, and then sweep, and then deliver higher. Usually sweep inversions work, but if you pattern trade that shit, it's yup. If you survive to take, yeah. Hey, NQ, get the fuck back down, bro. Come on. Come on, trade lower, bro. Oh, we got tagged in. Holy. Oh, we did not get to the M3. Okay, no worries. Let's just do its thing. Let's just anticipate that I took it on the M2. Okay. Okay, I took it on the M2. Let's see how it goes. You know what it is when I visit. When the city, she blow me kisses. No. But in the crave, wait to go, so hold me tight. Bro, if I take that L, this is the last. this is the last day I'm live streaming, bro. To the plane, to the drop to the hotel lobby, me. That's why I'm going low risk, man. So, life. Wait a minute, I'm still fixing things on my phone, man. So, answering some messages while trading, preparing to lose. Let me see the 30-minute. I'm basing it off of the M15, by the way, so we got a two-stage there. That's all. Oh, but we inverted this M15. Am I gonna be a dodgy trader here? Let's let it do its thing, man. Let's give her time. We failed to see ISD. Ah, man. I hate when it happens like this. I hate when we fail to see ISD. I hate when we fail to see ISD. I hate. Especially on the M3, which is the cleanest opposing candle, we failed to see ISD. So, man, it's gonna go ahead, and especially that gap. This gap closing, like closing us in inversion. Nah, bro, I'm not in. I'd rather take that small L. Look at that. Now we have a two-stage to the upside. I've shown an inversion, so that was a quick exit, man. That was a quick realization that what I did might be wrong. But hopefully my exit wasn't wrong. Let's see. I hate when we fail to CISD. If we get a CISD, I will enter again, by the way. A lot of people going for the title. A lot of people. Oh, man. What is this? I think I lost almost nothing. What time did I get in? 46.75. 46.75. And my stop loss was at. I got taken. Oh, look at that shit. 33.75. 33.75. Alright. What the fuck? Did I get out here? This is 8, right? Okay, 8. I was like, holy. What? With the one contract. I got in with one contract. $26. Holy. That's really good. Almost nothing. Maybe we'll someday grow. Don't turn it, baby, what you mean? Only baby later you can show me things. You know what it is, another of it. Oh, look at this. We don't have E gaps. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here. Alright, I'm just gonna go with MGC, bro. I'm going to MGC. Looks a lot better. MGC. But I need you to give me a cleaner tracement back into the range somewhere in here to be able to take you. Let's go with 2 contracts. First time in a long time. First time in a long time. Where's 2R? It's still here, and I'm not even getting my 2R. Let's just wait. I think gold is gonna come back. It's gonna trade back to the range. Let's just put it for 2R here. If it comes back, it comes back. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Give me 2R or nothing. Okay. I'll take it. Let me see what the M5 is doing. Oh my god, failing to close out. M3 we have the closure. Okay, let's just wait. The crazy baby, I'll take it. Come on, 27 likes. Come on, and 63 viewers. Come on, man. And we're down 16 ticks. So at least we need to make it upward 16 likes more. Come on, man. Damn it. Don't waste your time. Alright, so we're having a new candle opening up in like 2 minutes, so let's see. Hopefully this one doesn't close this teacher, like close above. But let's see. Holy bro, like whenever I set my limit, then price is. Let's see. Let me see what NQ is doing. Want you to get in my mind. I'm supposed to. So I got in here, right? I will be up now. Let's see which one is gonna play out. Let's see which one is gonna play. The one I close or the one I'm still holding. First time in a long time. 31 likes. Come on. Look. The goal is 45 likes. We still got 15 likes to go. We have plus 18, plus 16 ticks. So we need plus 16 likes. if we are minus, you guys make that up by liking. And if we're up, then we double the money, you know? You go for 2R, you go for 2R. So, if you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That would really help the channel grow. And also, it would really motivate me to keep going and losing money in front of you guys. Oh, man. Trust me and I can set you free. Trust me and I can set you free. Let your man give shit at me. And the be my love. Wow, everything to me, my love. Nice and shit to me. Let's see the M5. If you fail to close on the M5, I'm out, bro. Bro. We failed to close. Am I gonna? You know what? How can I close one contract? How can I close one contract? I really don't know, bro. I hate the failure to CIC, bro. It's like a traumatized, bro, from failure to CIC. Like literally, I'm traumatized. When we fail to CIC, I just fuck the trade. This is literally how. If you guys see how many break-evens I take because of failure to CISD, I don't want price to fail to CISD, bro. You're supposed to fucking go higher. You have this 2-stage, you have the new swing. Why the fuck are you struggling to break above a high? Why? Just answer my question. Why? Fuck's sake, bro. Yeah, just look though. We kind of fell off. Now I think this trade is just gonna look. Look. Let me show you guys something. Why the failure to CISD is really strong, in my opinion. That's why I still use it. Like when you fail to CISD, you go to the opposing side of the range. Like super simple. That's why. Now let's see another failure to CISD. Here we did this. We do have the CISD. Like look at that. When you kind of fail to CISD, at least that low is gonna get taken out like at some point. Not at some point, like just really close. So based off my observation, it just when we have a failure to CISD, the trade is not that high probability in my opinion. CISD. Black letter glove, no sequence. Nike crossbody got a piece in it. You gotta be so quick, man, with these trades. Like once it shows a red flag, close this shit, man. If you wanna call it. What was that swing off of? What was that swing off of? How to scalp gold on pre-market and in Asia? If I knew how, bro, I would have done it myself. Oh man, crazy. Let's see if gold's gonna go higher or I made a mistake. Let's see. So we got two break evens right there. I think here I made money. I made like $20 also. So I'll be break even for that day. Lots of yeah, exactly, Dean. So that's why I realized I just with that first CISD, oh my god. And as we said, who would trade this? Tori trades, bro. I would, damn, bro. I would like to learn trend lines from her. Like for real, I'm not capping. Like her approach is so easy. Like it looks so easy. It's not easy, but it looks so chill. She would take, I don't know how she would do it. I don't wanna be with me, that's how they say to you and me. This is signs I can see to you. The markets are, we do have this 2-stage here, but we are in extreme premium. I'm not really gonna take it. And also by the time we get to CIC, we're so close to the high. So good luck, RB. Just go without me. Basically ask you the logic of trade. This one that I took, 2-stage cracking correlation. Away from the where's silver? Saying it away about a slide. It's like just in one stage here. This one stage here. After manipulation. So now I'm trading a C2. So I'm anticipating a new swing to form. That's really it. That's just this one stage. And also the 30 minute just formed the C3. So I'm anticipating a C4. And also within that C4 we have a new C2, which is a 915. So I'm just expanding further upside. And we just took out a relevant swing, which is this high. And we're forming a bullish swing. Like, why would you form a bullish swing after taking a relevant swing? So now this is a failure to manipulate to go to the next draw. Gold is pushing higher, which was anticipated, but let's see. Okay. Mulf, usually what it used to be, like, so you want to close and then you tell like how many contracts or like the size. Now just like go full, so I'll work on that. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, my brother. Don't you wanna dance? One sec, guys. I'm still on the call, so I'll just finish and I'll be back. One sec. All right. So far, NQ is playing out, which is interesting. So NQ is playing out. It's pushing higher. Gold failed, which is also a good sign, by the way, because we have such a lot of filler swings so low. So hopefully we can take some out before continuing higher. So if we go to silver here, let me just go back to 30-minute here. That way we can see what's going on with silver. So this one closes at PSP so far, and we do have that second stage right now. So are we going to get? Oh, this is the 40-minute, 30-minute. Yep, it's not a 2 stage, by the way. M15. Let's see what is going on. So we have this SMG here, but it's not the most valid. Dude, oh my god, bro. One sec, boys. I don't recall, so one sec. Guys, just bear with me. This stuff's so important. Wait. What's up, man? Everything for the trip now sorted out. Sorry, guys, because tomorrow I got my trip to Thailand, so I was a bit sorting everything out. So finally, everything is settled. Because I got some delays with some planes and stuff. So now, all good. Do how. Let's continue. Sorry, guys, for a long break. And for the people that tuned in, like we got 32 viewers that are still tuned in. Like these are the real viewers, man. Giveaway for everybody. Man, if I was sponsored with my funded futures, I would literally give a giveaway right now. Like I would be like, oh, I'm be back, I'm on a call, and then like 50% of the viewers would leave the stream, and then we'll have the pure ones, and then we'll do a giveaway. But fuck, man, my funded futures did not respond. Let's apply again. Let's apply again to my funded futures. Let's hopefully get one. Whose Discord was most valuable to you? My Discord. You don't look in the range. Okay, see how long. What do you think? Ah, bro. Like for the time being, I'm just holy, bro. Look at this shit. Look at this. Yeah, I think InQ is gonna go. Guys, do you know what prop firm is trading with? My funded futures. Bro, I'm literally outside at an event. My net is not working. Some Wi-Fi's were available, and I used a random password. I need connected. Can't hear anything outside event. Can hear your stream serving Wi-Fi 2.0. Searching for the guy for more. Oh man. Let me see. Send evos. Bro, I wish I can, bro. Literally gonna apply to my funded futures literally right now. We're gonna apply again. Just wait. Just give me 1 sec. Let me read through the comments. Guys, do you know what prop? I just mentioned that. Have you tried Lucid? No, bro. And not only because also banned, but because they don't support RB and stuff. So that's why. Going back to now to my funded futures. So where is my funded futures? It's supposed to be somewhere. Holy, Brave. This is Brave. Where's? Okay, this is my funded futures. By the way, I just upgraded to Windows 11 and I hate it. By the way, I don't like Windows 11, bro. I love Windows 10. I did like wide. What is it called? Wide something? I don't even know. Like to customize it, but still, it's not the best. Wide. Was it wide? I don't fucking know what was it called. Wireshark? No, not Wireshark. Wireshark is like for the network. I forgot the name. But still, it's not customizable as Windows 10, which is a bit unfortunate. But let's see. Okay, let me log into my funded futures, bro. They haven't literally gotten back to me, so let me go ahead and talk to them right now, bro. Like, just give me my account. Give me one account too, at least. Do like a giveaway or something. So yeah, I've been trading Lucid and hate the fact that I can't trade. Yeah, bro, that's why. Did you pass your eval yet? Nope, not yet. I'm almost there, bro. That $1,200 loss from what is it called? YM really fucked me up, bro. Like I literally traded back to 50k and then boom, last day was like minus 700, and then I got back to what was it called? I think not less than 49 300. It was like 49, and now I don't know where. You guys, good guess. I don't know where I am. So yeah, this week has been like almost a break even. No, I'm up 4R on paper, but I'm up. I can say the number. Now I can hear. Okay, good. All right, let me check what's up with my funded futures. Okay, where's the payout personal help affiliate program? Okay, let's go. Apply for affiliate program. Okay. Eligibility. Oh, I do. Oh, now just look at that. We have more than 1,000. How many do we have? Let me see if we got any subs today. Let me see. Let's see. 1521. Perfect. 1521. Last time it was 1K, right? Yes, I have existent. No, I don't have. What is your promotion start? Oh my god. Let me go back to ChatGPT. It has all the answers for me. It still has all the answers for me, so. Wait, what just happened? No, it's supposed to be here. Just put this one, separate window. Okay, let me go to affiliate promotion strategy. Let's go. It's this one, right? Let me check. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Where was the answer? Where are they? So promotion. Okay, daily life futures. Traffic source. I don't know what it is. How do you drive traffic? Okay. What is your target audience? Beginner, intermediate. No. Pro traders. Oh no. Wait. Bro, my prompt engineering is so bad. Okay. For the target audience. Are you guys beginner? You guys are not beginners, right? Most of them have at least 1 or 2 years of experience. What that just happened, bro? For the target audience. Most of them have at least a year of experience. They know most of the concepts, but they're lacking proper structure. Please provide example of your recent future trading account. Maybe we'll go ahead and provide the video of like how much I made, like how much I lost, how much I made. Okay, let me see how I made. Okay, let's see how I made. Get shareable link. Okay, just gonna go ahead and paste that one right there. Trading platforms links. Okay, it will be YouTube. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and go to my channel. Let me see. So just gonna go to channel. Let me see if you guys said something on chat. Let me check. Isn't China? Let's not talk about this. Bro, quick gold update. Can it reach today's Asian highs? If it goes like this, no. If it stays like that, no. Most likely not. Okay, so let me go to. How can I share that? Let me do the refined trader. Let's go to channel. That's good. So you can go to this link. Now go to this one. Link is here. And we'll do add. I think I'll just go with YouTube. It's enough. Please provide a detailed answer. Please provide examples of your recent. Thanks for the descriptions. I think that will be it. Alright, let's submit trading affiliate application. Let me see if it works. I'll let you guys know. If it's submitted, I'll let you guys know. Please provide a detailed answer. Minimum 50 characters. Oh. GPT will sort that out. Or the detailed regulatory and the relaxation risk when profit from my content in closed live trading sessions. No, here's the futures entries. In this video, trade feeders live. Explain my bias manage. I regularly create live and record the feeders during kind of focus on relaxation risk when profit from my content in closed live. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, that's good. That's actually good. So just go to submit. I think it should be submitted right now. All right, perfect. The answers for please provide examples of frequent features, links, or description were too long. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same. Make it a bit shorter. And just put this one here. Make it a bit shorter. There's nothing really here, bro. NQ was the only play, man. I mismanaged it, but it's alright. I had the reasons behind it, so there's nothing I could do. I created live. Okay. I'll just go ahead and put that one here. Submit. Let's see if it's gonna get submitted. Come on. We're too long. Even shorter. Wait, was it 50 characters maximum or minimum? Okay, minimum 50. Okay. Submit. Let's see if it'll work or not. Submit. Come on. It's taking too long. Let me see the comments. Let me see what's going on in the comments. We see what is going on in the comments. I only give away in a while next time. I hate that you give away. I heard the giveaway in a while. In while my net was there. Bro, hopefully my funded futures response. Okay, I think wait. Did it go through only? I did not see if it went through or not. Let me see. Too long. Come on, make it even shorter. Bro, they want me to say like okay. I'm just gonna go ahead. I will not even do examples. I'm just gonna go ahead, take that off, then take examples, then your application is currently under review. All right, perfect. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully they get back to us as soon as possible. I would like to have a partnership with, like, not a partnership, but at least like all what I want is like to have some sort of giveaways, bro. That would really keep people engaged in the content and stuff. So. Remove vicious CPS from IT link. That's good. That's a smart idea, bro. That's a good one. Were you live yesterday? Nope, I was not. I traded by myself. I did not trade live because I was not home on time. Spotted back. All right. So far, there's nothing, man. Hopefully this time they will get back to us. Let me check my email because last time they did not even send me an email about like your request is under review or anything like that. Oh, also now, bro. Also now. Yeah. I don't know why. Alpha Futures introducing LinkedIn 2 degrees. No, it is not. Alright. Go CL. CL is flying? Oh, where's CL? I'm not opening CL yet, by the way. This is CL. Want to show me the sign? Fair to CISD. You guys know what it is. Somebody hit Nickelodeon time. Like NQ is really the cleanest. Let me try to see if I can position myself somewhere in there. ES, YM. What do we have with YM? Traded below, also this level. So we have this SMT here with the irrelevant swing. And this C2 closure. 3. This could have been the entry, but again, it's still valid for now, but like the stop is huge. 1R, 1.75. This was the cleanest entry, but with that far to CISD, I was like, you know, and especially without this closure, man, I was like, nah, man, I'm not in. I'm not in. Any moderator person Ah man. Let's see if I manage to to get an account for you guys. That's gonna be a good day, man. Or someday you guys see me in my Funded Futures channel. Why am at an all-time high? My man, this I was on a chart. I was gonna click this one, but it was before 6, and I was like, you guys know when I talk about time, sometimes I get too strict. And I was like, no, this is 5. You trade 10. Now we're adding 6. And now we want to trade 5. Nah, bro. Yeah, this was like super clean. If you guys go to the M15, there's either this or this. In that case, it was this. What is this? What do we call this? If somebody says V-shape recovery, you're banned. I'll make it easier for you guys. Look at the time of the candle. It's 5:30, so a new candle opened here. If you know, you know. And also look at the time. 12, so that's a 15-minute candle. Tato is the first one that will get banned. Hide user on this channel. I'm just kidding. Stream switch, yeah, exactly. Yeah, especially with the fact that look at this candle. 5:12. The next candle is 5:24. So now this is the first 15-minute candle, this is the second, and this is the third one. So it was a clean, easy strength switch to catch. And M15 aligned with like, yeah, it was really good. Clean swing with any gap. And you guys know that I love when we sweep a gap. I love it. So just align we have a draw here liquidity. That's what I was targeting. That's what I wanted to target. So it was an easy expansion. That was a clean trade. And when you get such expansions, that's what you get on 10 a.m. So same for CL. Like it expanded. It did not really expand overnight, did it? Yeah, it did. Wait, where's Friday 1800? Oh, it did actually. Holy, look at the range. Wow, higher, lower, now higher. Traded a lot. That's why today is a bit trash. Yeah, NQ is gonna hit, man. Damn. Oh, be up. Wow, 1.7 R. 2.4. It's alright. So we got saved here. Now, not here. So that's the issue of having an edge that you believe in 100%. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you give it a clean exit, sometimes it doesn't. International. Okay. Guys, I don't think there will be something here for the day. So we might just have to call it a day a bit early. But before that, Dean will remember this. Sorry if I spelled your name wrong. I don't know if you still remember this. Back in the old days, I used to play this. Not to play, like on stream. When I'm waiting for a trade. And I think there was a day that I missed me to miss a trade, I guess. But now there's nothing, so let me show you guys my aim. Holy. Let's go to English. Okay. What? Let's go. Wait, let me do full screen. Okay. I need to bring my other mouse, by the way. I don't like to game with this one. I think I'll bring... Wait. I'll bring my other mouse. Give me 1 sec. Let me plug this one. Alright, be back. Let me unplug the Logitech. Take that off. Put that razor down. Okay. Razor. Oh, I think I thought I deleted it. It's been a while I haven't came. So. Come on. Okay. All right. Let me see. Come on, load quickly, man. It's taking too long. Oi, chill, dog. Chill. Fuck's sake. One more kill. If I get killed, we'll be back to the charts. Oh, the DPI is slow. I feel like somebody's gonna come from here. Oh, what's the issue? Look at that. Do you guys see the issue? This is what I'm facing. That's why I changed my mouse, and it still does it. Peek, little boy. I knew you were gonna peek, bro. I knew. Oh, shit aim. What a shit aim, bro. One kill, and we're going back. One kill, and we're going back to charts. I need to change the name to GxT. Let's see. I'll try to knife somebody. That will be the last kill. If I get killed, that's it. Oh, what's up? Just one left. Come on, man. Let me join a new game. Quick match. Come on, man. Let me see what's going on to charts, man. So far, nothing. Nothing. Back. Oh, I like. Okay, we got 3 versus 3. Okay, that's good. I think somebody's gonna be here. I knew it. Ah. Come, buddy. Come. Oh, shit. Come. Where the fuck are you? Come on, we need one more kill. Either I get a kill or get killed, and then we go back to the charts. Come on, man. Somebody's gonna come from here? What do you guys think? 1, 2, 3. Nobody's gonna come. We don't have Eastern intuition. Oh, I see. Somebody's here. I see. Okay, let me flank. Let me go from the opposite direction. Come here, my bro. Come here. Alright, we back. Back to the charts, bro. That was fun. Oh. So far we have this gap. Okay, let me unplug a Logitech. With this. Do you guys play FIFA? No plays FIFA. Do you guys play FIFA? Performance. We got dip a little bit. 2. I go with like 250. Alright, let's keep it this way. No, let's just be fast. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, let's use the razor today. Let me see. Pixel art. Oh, man. Guys, I don't think there's nothing we can trade today. There's nothing, man. We go for a backtesting session? We go for a backtesting session? What do you guys think? The only thing that was like this 2 stage here, it's got to the upside. This is 1800. Wait, did they say I live on the charts? I live on the charts, yeah. That's why I love Drake. Yes, nope, Marara is people we run into Rayman and Sackboy. I know Rayman, but Sackboy I don't know. Let me see. Sackboy. This is like a... Nice. This is like two players? Nice. That's a multiplayer game, eh? Epic Adventure. Go on Epic Shuffle with thing on create. Team of 2. Oh, that's good. Team of 2. That's good. Really nice. I only know what's the name of the game. It Takes Two. Bro, enough calls, man. I'm not gonna answer this one. Fuck. I only know It Takes Two. It Takes Two. It Takes Two. That's the only one I know. If you guys have like any game similar with that similar style that two players can join, so you can suggest. But I'm gonna let me go back see this one. Let me see a gameplay videos. My office is upset. Let me take it. This is more of like kind of a this holy, this is 4090 and he's playing high. Is it stuck 2K or what? Is he playing 4K or what? 145 FPS? Holy. With 4090. I got 3060. He'll be like 30 FPS. This one looks good. For two players, that will be good. That'll be good. Right, man. But man, try Grace. Where game? Graphic, art, music? Let me check. Let me check. This one. Let's see. Probably in like 15 minutes I'll close the stream, boys. Probably in like 15 minutes I'll close the stream. This reminds me of a game that was made by Thomas Brush, if you guys know Thomas Brush. Thomas? What the fuck? Let me take this one here. Are we gonna do? Thomas Brush. I forgot the name of the game. Not this one. They sold it to another company. Yeah, Pinstripe. It reminds me of Pinstripe. Like they got that same vibe, same graphics. This one is like more of daytime. This one's like more nighttime. Pinstripe. Like if you really check, they're kind of similar. Let me check. Almost similar style, but the movement is different. The movement is a bit different. This one is more like the player is limited in one frame, but for that one, like the camera is moving with the player. So, nice, nice and icy. Take some chocolate, man. Take some chocolate. Anybody here from Thailand, guys? Is anybody here from Thailand? Or somebody who's really familiar with Thailand? Quick backtest. Let's do some money. I'm gonna go to replay. Just gonna go to M5 to be able to execute. And then what we're gonna do, random bar. Okay. September 2024. This is 10. Okay, let's skip to the next day. Okay, so we just inverted that gap. Extra confluence. But then closest proximity draw this on YM, that's on NQ. Let me go to NQ. Let me see what ES is doing. Bro, let me take off the razor and get back to the Logitech. Alright, it's a lot better. Alright. From the get-go, ES inverts the gap, right? Not really. But we filled the gap. This one we did not. So I anticipate NQ to trade up to kind of fill that gap at least, because ES filled that gap. YM inverts the gap. So I would be willing to take NQ with a new swing formation. And then take it. But look at how far price expanded. And again, this looks just like today, man. Looking for, doesn't it look like today? It looks just like today. Same. That happened like a year and a half ago. So yeah, ideally, now just a one-sided narrative. I wouldn't really be willing to go against it. Hourly, do we have a new swing formation here? We do have this C2, which hit above a high. What I want to see first to manipulate within this one, ideally, I want to see within this candle like a two-stage, or an M15 crack. Oh, this is NQ. Wait, let me go back to yes. Let's see what's going on here. So we don't have any fresh swing formation here. 30-minute, same. We don't. So we have C3, C4, C5. So we're kind of trading a bit overextended within the leg. So let's see what we get on M3. We don't have any SMTs here. YM. Let's see what's going on with YM. Let's see. Oh wait, okay. What this one, this two-stage here. But other than that, there's nothing really. Oh, we did fill the gap on F15. Okay, it was a bit unfortunate that we're not in. Yeah, now I know like this AC is gonna hold, but I wouldn't take it anyways. Okay, let's continue. Hourly. Oh, now when you get slashed in, now what do we have? We have a. Let me see, what did we trade into? So that was the trigger. This high was the trigger for reversal. 20 minute. Let me see. Do we have any two-stage here? Not really. I'm 15. We do have this two-stage here. Hourly. But again, as I said earlier, I wouldn't really be willing to trade an M15 two-stage concrete. Even though I know now it's going to expand to the lows. Let me set M3. But I wouldn't be willing to trade the reversal off of the M15. No entries were offered anyways. So what do we have now? We have a strength switch here on YM, going from weaker to stronger. But there's nothing really here to target. That's the only issue. Or it's trade above that high. So like if I want to take longs on YM, I want to see a new setup and just a new swing for a new lower time frame manipulation just to target the high itself. Which we do have right now. Let's check. Let's see if we're gonna get the ASD. One more candle. Okay. Failure to CISD. You fail to CISD, the low gets taken out. You fail to CISD, I'm gonna give it one more chance. Okay, now almost like probably the low is gonna get taken out. Yeah, that's like a model in itself. You can you can trade the failure to CISD back into lows. Let me set M15. Okay, so what do we have here? This is more like of a string switch. Yeah, this is a string switch, by the way. Going from stronger to weaker. Let's see it. M3, M5. Ah, it's so close. I wouldn't really. Yeah, this was really clean. But the only issue with this trade, man, is like there's nothing really here to target. Like the high is so far away. Probably target like this, sweep high. But like the day has already expanded. So with that string switch, yeah, it does make sense. But it's a bit not clean. Even though like yeah, the trade played out. That could have been like the trade here. But for me, you guys know, I would be waiting for the retest and miss it. And it doesn't give to R to the highs. Let's see if it gets to R or not. It did. Okay, good job. Oh, it was good on. It was a lot cleaner on NQ. Look at that. PSP, and we have a close proximity high here. We have this close proximity high here. Nice candle. Good. But overall, this was a shit day. Due to the fact that price has already expanded. Oh, look at this ASD. Wow. I'll probably go with this one. But still, I would be willing for a retracement. I wouldn't really mark it execute here. 253. Like it does give to R, I guess. It does give to R. But that's not something I would take to the highest. Yeah, it does. Will I take this one? Yeah, I think I would. Especially with these gaps here. And it gives to R to the journal liquidity. I think I would. But YM was cleaner, was a lot cleaner. YM was a lot cleaner because like NQ had a changing state, like confirming that this might be the potential high of day, so. But it was EPSP, so when you have EPSP, then you should think about if it's just a cracking correlation or just it's true reversal. What was I gonna? Oh, I was gonna go to 90-minute. It might give us a cleaner picture. Yeah, 90-minute. Look at that 10:30 candle. 90-minute always kind of clears the confusion. Clean swing formation. With what? What time is that? So we do have the SMG. So we do have a two-stage. Is that a two-stage? Nope, it's not a two-stage. But we have a one-stage here with a C2 closure. So you can anticipate this candle just to expand right away. So this is 12. So at 12, let's see if we're gonna get an entry at 12. Entry at 12. Entry at 12. Not really. I wouldn't take this one just to keeping it up. This one is a lot better. This is a lot better. This one is a bit better, but it's so high up in the leg. So let's just skip to the next day. Let's get the next day quickly. I'm gonna do one more day. Then we're just gonna call it a day. Bump. Oh my god. Let's go to M3 this time. Random bar. 4 hour. What days? Oh, okay. Again, Monday, Tuesday, September. From the get-go, this is a red flag day. Alright. Care about the highs. Do I have something to the left to target? We're sitting within that gap. So if I want to fill that gap, it will be here. Okay. C2. Now we're trading within a C3. So the expected candle, the next expected candle is to be a C4. What do we need to do? But look at YM. PSB. So now it is. We're gonna 100% have a second stage with this one. Look how close NQ is to the high. So I might be willing to take. Let me see. I might be willing to take YM back to these lows. Or if I see him failure to manipulate on NQ, I'll take it back to the highs. M15. Let me go quickly, man. Got some stuff to do here. Alright. We already have a second stage. We're already opening up with a second stage. Yeah, it was clean. This to the lows. Do you guys got it, or am I just going? Yeah, I don't think I'm explaining. I think I'm just skipping candles. If you guys really check this 4-hour candle, we have a PSB. So within it, or we know that we're gonna get a second stage, which we did here with this one. So now we're just gonna trade this second stage here. We're gonna trade this second stage, and it comes that it's opening up with this is a PSP, and it's also opening up with a lower time frame 2-stage PSP. So now we just need to open high, close, open high. Take your trade here. Where's the retest? The retest should be here. Stops at the highs. But 1 swing, 2 swings, 3. Probably would go with this one. Probably. I wouldn't actually trade for this one. Honestly, I wouldn't trade for it. That's GxT, but I think it will continue. Yeah. Now this is a failure to manipulate. This is my failure to manipulate model. This is the model I trade for failure to manipulate. Now I can trust almost 95%. We're gonna go. So we already traded into this one. So we're gonna go to the next one now. Yeah. And I'll probably have a 2 stage there. I think we'll have a 2 stage at least. At least in 1 stage. Yeah, it was obvious. That was an easy trade. That could have been an easy trade on the book too. Especially we're closing here. Put stops at the highs. Let me set M5. Maybe we'll give a cleaner entry. Nah. Like it did give the retest, but it's not clean. And that's the high of a new candle. So now we want to trade this high. And not only that, let me see if we have a strength switch here. Look at that. Look at that strength switch. Holy bro. That's an A+ day. That's an A+. This is literally what I traded on ES yesterday. Where's ES? Let me see MES. I think I took it on MES. Executions? Oh, it's yesterday. I cannot. But yeah, literally this is what I traded yesterday, but I traded it on the M1. Where was it? I took a short. I have no idea where I took it. Yeah, I took this short. I took a trade from somewhere in here to here, and then I waited for the retracement. No. I got it from here to here, and then from here, somewhere in here, to like an M3 gap, and then price reversed. So it was like same idea with the failure to manipulate. My model to fill. This is my models for a failure to manipulate to then continue to the next relevant draw. And since I saw that 3-minute was a bit huge, and also it's sitting well priced and discounts, I was like, I don't know what. Let me just target it, and it ended up giving us deeper retracement because my entry was sitting just around the EQ. So if price wants to rebalance the range, that's the first high is gonna get taken out before continuing lower. So I just managed accordingly. I don't know if you guys got the point or not, but if you did, that's good. If you did not, we'll have a separate backtesting session where I go over deep analysis. That's it for me today. There's nothing here we can do. Enjoy your weekends, guys, and I hope to see you guys around soon enough. I'm not sure when I'll be back, but I think Monday I will stream. Will there be video coming soon? I'm not sure. Enjoy your holidays and see you guys and take care. And yeah, Monday we're gonna meet again. See you guys, take care. Adios.